Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2021 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner key fob. This key fob takes one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So to swap out this battery, we will be using a small flathead screwdriver, but first we're going to remove the physical key. To do that, we just need to press this button to the side and then pull out the physical key. And inside we have a small slot where we can use our physical key. And if we put the key inside of the slot and just turn slightly, it'll pop open the key fob. And if we remove the back cover, we can see our CR2032 battery. And there's a little slot here where you can use the flathead screwdriver to kind of pry in to help lift up the battery. You can remove the battery, get your new battery, place it in with the positive side facing up, press it till it seats in, replace our back cover, squeeze it until it snaps in place, replace our physical key, and we're finished. So hopefully this video helped you in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching and have a great day.